Hey y'all, Karen here with Ministry and Mini Goats. Now, don't say you forgot my name, because have you heard the press that my name's gotten here lately? Yeah. So, we've had an opportunity to film here the last several days, and we wanted to share it with you guys. So, but before I forget, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell notification so you can keep up with our new content. Also, if you like what you see, make sure to give us a thumbs up. All right, let's go. So it's been a while since we got to come over here and do any work. We have since finished with the wheat straw and spreading seed all the way down the hill. Aaron has his fence up. Well, not all of it, but he's got it up to down there right behind the containers. I decided to come over here today and kind of check out and see if my grass that I had previously planted was growing, or if everything that I had done was in vain. And lo and behold, y'all look what I spotted. There's grass. There's some little grass spriggets. So it lets me know that everything I done wasn't in vain, because it's tough on a fat girl. But hopefully once I get out here and get to doing some stuff, you know, that's what I say every year. I think after 2 kids, I'm just destined to be thick. I'm okay with that. So, anybody who's watching and you're kind of thick too, be happy with it. This is the way the Lord made you, and the Lord don't make mistakes. So, you can see back here the Bermuda grass that we put in about a month and a half ago, I guess. It's growing up pretty good. The pond down there has some pretty good washouts in it. But all in the same, all of this rain that we've been getting has helped to fill the pond up. See, there's what we cut off with our fence. We've still got to come back and finish all of that. Let's see. My pecan tree, we found out a while ago that our pecan tree is already putting out pecans. I really didn't know, because prior to having some work done on the land, the tree was almost covered in kudzu. And I thought it had kind of smothered it out, but lo and behold, we have a pecan. Can you see? Yeah, there we go. It's focused in. We have a pecan. There are a lot of little shells and stuff down here, which I'm assuming went out last night to feed one of the animals. Well, feed the dog. And I heard several coyotes out. So if I had to guess, coyotes are probably, yes, I know coyotes don't eat pecans, but I think they're coming over here trying to get and scrounge and see what they can get. Here's a pretty good view of the pond. It's filling on up. Can't wait till we can put fish in. Y'all leave in the comments your favorite type of fish to eat and whatnot. I think Aaron wants catfish in here, but we're not fully decided what all we're going to stock the pond with yet. So drop that in the comments what your favorite type of fish is. And hey, you never know. You might end up with your fish in our pond. Let's see, walking up under the tree here. Hold on, just 1 second. I don't know if you can really see them very well or not, but here's some of the little pecan shells over here that probably some of the squirrels, the resident neighborhood squirrels, have been coming and eating. I'm good with that. Got to feed the wildlife. Yeah, you can see over here as far as we got to put the wheat straw, and then come over here on this side and there's nothing. Well, I did seed, but I don't really see any grass coming up right there. One of our next projects that we've decided we want to do is we want to do like a little water garden, goldfish pond, whatever you want to call it. But we don't really know where to put it because right now we don't even know. Well, we know we're going to put the house on top of the hill. But with the price of lumber rising as much as it has, we have yet to determine what type of structure we're going to go with. We were going to go with a pole barn in the beginning, but this COVID has messed up everything. And so now I don't even know how that's going to go. We are still going to get our well. I don't know about the solar right now. That may be a thing that has to wait a little bit later because, well, solar costs money and the price of everything's gone up. So we're exploring our options right now as far as the homes go. We have looked into the option still of the pole barn, and we have looked into actually stick building a home, and we've also gone and looked at a few trailers. So I don't know, hopefully here in the next 4 or 5 months we'll see some kind of home going up over here, and we will see right over there by them containers, we should see a chicken and a goat house going in pretty soon. Anybody else ever have this problem? Chicken's getting out. See if we can run them back in. Go, go, go. No, go the other way. Go the other way. Go, chicken. Go, chicken. Go, chicken. Go back through the fence. Go back from whence you came. Let's see if we can find this other little chicken still over here. Chicken, go back from whence you came. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. If you come over here, I'm catching you. And back through the fence. Maybe they'll run on up in and get in, and there they go. Well, there goes one. They think it's feeding time, y'all. Okay, so hold on just one sec, and I'm fixing to go get some food. Okay, when you even get the dog scared. Now hear these guys like they don't ever eat. Lenny, get down. Dusty, Dusty, no, no. Dusty, no. Dusty, no. Why are you out? Come here, do you want some food? Come here, chicken. Move, Sammy. Move, move. Come here, chickie. that's how it's done. So y'all see the cows behind me? I've got another big secret coming right after this clip. So, I didn't know I'd be filming today, but this was just too good of an opportunity to pass up. I come out here to kind of look around in the pasture, and I guess my dad's got these cows spoiled because they're following me. I guess they think I have food, which I will feed them in a minute. But y'all, that is just like too stinking cool. It's a bug. Where's, oh, there he is. Say hey.
No, come here.
Y'all fancy Pawpaw feeding his baby cows.
No, they probably ain't.
Well, look up
Come here,
there.
Molly. Come here, Molly.
Girl, you just making a mess. Is you jealous, Bowie? Is you jealous? Where'd you go?
Molly. Molly. Come here, girl.
Oh, she figured it out. You got some jealousies behind you. Girl. You gonna come get you some milk, girl? Hmm? Is you jealous, son? Is you jealous? Hey.
Big boy.
Y'all want some food?